Okay, that's some almond milk.
Can I see something?
All right. I don't really measure, so I guess pour. Good. Give me a little bit more.
Mommy.
Hi, sugar.
Mommy, Mommy, hiding nothing.
Okay, wonderful.
Mommy.
Perfect. I'd say
Mommy.
maybe about 2.5 cups.
Mommy, my
Maybe 3
blue
cups. Okay, maybe 3 cups of water. It's not water. I'm sorry, of milk. Okay, you can use any milk you want. We just prefer almond milk. You could use sweetened, unsweetened.
As long as it's milk.
As long as it's milk. I have my 8-year-old helping me. Come on.
Just pour it all in?
We're not pouring all of it. We're going to do about half the can. Yes.
Why is it so creamy?
That's the best part of it.
Because it's creamy?
Yeah.
Mommy.
Alright.
Mommy.
Okay, I'm going to go with half for now.
That's
And
more
let's
than
see.
half.
That's more than half? Oh
Yes.
my gosh. So I guess we ended up pouring in about 3/4 of the can.
3/4?
Mm-hmm.
Can I put the ground cinnamon first?
Yes.
Please.
So now we're going to add some spices.
Yes.
Alright.
So,
Come on. We have cinnamon here.
ground cinnamon. Like this?
Yep. Pour it on the spoon. Okay.
That's a lot. Are you sure we need that much?
I am sure.
That looks
Come
like
on.
way too much.
What's that?
Ground allspice.
Allspice. Now we're not putting as much.
Yeah, because it's like, isn't it like the
Okay.
same flavor, but like.
That's good. Thank you.
And then ground cloves.
Ground cloves. Yes. Oh, this smells so good already. Come on. Now a little bit of it, because too much of the cloves
Make
will
it
make
sour?
it. No, it will make it bitter.
Oh, it's better like the
Pay attention.
allspice and.
You got
It's
this.
not coming out.
Hey, be careful. You see, it's right there. It's just being difficult. I would say 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, that's good. Yep.
Finally. Ow.
And now we're going to add some mixed essence. Some people put vanilla extract, but we're using mixed essence today. Put it on the spoon. Wonderful.
Some people put vanilla essence.
All right, let's see about
A
1
teaspoon?
tablespoon.
A teaspoon.
Nah, I think it's a tablespoon.
I think it's a teaspoon. Teaspoons are small.
Comment and let us know what you think. Tablespoon or a teaspoon of vanilla essence, vanilla extract.
It can be anything. As long
Whichever
as it's
one you
like
have.
An essence. Like an essence or an extract.
Yes.
As long as it's one of
So-
those, it's okay.
It's okay. Hi. Yes, guys, you hear my 3-year-old in the background. So now we're actually going to let that just sit there and simmer a little. And this is St. Lucian Sweet Rice.
And it's my favorite meal.
Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and lower the heat here.
It's rolling up.
Yep, or else it will come up.
And it's gonna fall on the stove and burn it.
Yes.
And, like, it's gonna like smoke the house.
Yes. So we want to refrain from that.
And we don't want the smoke alarm going off.
And we want it to, yes, we want it to lose some of the liquid. Okay. Alrighty. I'm pretty sure it lost some of its liquid, maybe a little bit too much.
But it still looks good.
I think I'm gonna add some more milk to it.
What about the condensed milk? We still have some milk. You can have more of whatever milk you have.
Okay.
Towel.
Okay. There we go. Now we need to try it. I'm gonna look and see
Want some? Want some right now?
if it has enough sugar.
One that is pink.
I think I'm gonna add the rest of the condensed milk. Okay, so we added the remainder of the condensed milk and we are good to go. Okay, this is bringing back some memories. I miss home so much.
And the last time I had this meal was when I was 4 years old.
Yes, I have not made it in quite some time. Look at this.
So now it's boiling, and we're just gonna go ahead and
Now
mix it
it's done.
completely.
Beautiful. All right, so she's going to taste it.
OMG, this is better than I remember.
It is.
Yes.
Because I didn't see that in your facial expression. Are you sure? You like it?
Yes.
Okay.